Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common real inject, and each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Today I want to share you some of our products. You can look at here. And for this whole side of the injector repair kit can be fitted with this fuel injector. Let's check the details for this one. First, you can look at here the labels. The first line of this label is a model number 6405003 C12. Yep. In this part, it's the product name, injector repair kit. As you can see, for our product, we package it with these bags, right? And we have the label. If you want to design your own logos or design your own label, the package bags, yes, with Shumatt we can supply you this kind of customized services. You can contact us. We can help you to design it. Okay, it's time for us to open and get one fuel injector as an example to show you more details. This is the fuel injector. And this is the injector repair kit can be used in this one. For our package bags, it's very friendly to the environment. It can be used in many times. It's recyclable. Okay, let's see. We have the sealing ring, the cap, the nozzle cap. As you can see, we have different types of our sealing rings, right? We have the old shipment, and we have the other shipment of the sealing rings. You can see on this fuel injector we have the red and the blue one on the outside part. Some of the sealing rings they used in the outside part. When you exchange it, and some of the sealing rings are used in the inside part. It can be better protect the our fuel injector. For this one, you can see here, it can be connect the two parts very tightly, and to avoid the air, avoid the liquid, and won't be loose. Yes, it can be connected very tightly. Also, we have this nozzle cap. On this part, you can use it. The nozzle cap. Yep. Our product, before we receive it, we will test it many times, and we have the 6 months warranty. So don't worry about our product qualities. Yep. Okay, that's all about our product details. If you have any problems or any questions about our product, feel free to contact us. Actually, we have many kinds of products. If you are not familiar with the models, you can send us the model number. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. And each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like our videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us at the Facebook and the YouTube account. Yep. Actually, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Any items, if you are interested, welcome to contact us. And remember to follow us at the YouTube and Facebook account. Okay, that's all about today's introduction. See you next time. Bye-bye.